gels. A lot of you are asking what is glue gel, or what do I use to adhere all the crystal and keep it last longer. If you're having really troubleshooting your crystal, it keep coming off and then like it falling off in like 1 or 2 days, even though you're doing like some glue gels and some top coat on, and you couldn't get, you know, it's staying on, you definitely want to check it out. The condensed glue gel is going to be your bestie on your crystal station. And but my best suggestion is the Trifecta, because it's a system. The condensed glue gels, no wet top coat, and precision glue gel is compatible, work together, so it will keep all your crystal and stay in one place. So I'm go ahead and use this frame, and I'm using the frame bender already, and I'm gonna put that one in. If you get a chance to see a frame bender, I'm going to show you shortly. Can you get me a frame bender? Oh my god, this is so adorable. I want that one.
So what is it?
Frame benders from outside from the showroom, and it is on the little cutes like acrylic draw. Right here. On the drawer. I'm getting pink. I'm getting a heart. Yeah, thank you, babe. Sliding a little bit up, and then put the hearts right there. Oh, so obsessive. I know, I just love this. I've been staring at my nails all night, couldn't sleep because it's so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna start adding beads on. Yeah, it's falling off between the crystal charm. Sometimes I can get it all the way into the edges, just leave them there, because we can using the other end of the crystal pickers and adjusting your metal beads and redirect it to go in the right place. So I'm gonna add this one and go in here, adjusting the triangle or pyramids right there. Alright. Adjusting it. I love that how condensed glue gels and the no wipe top coat will give me ability of I can adjusting it even before I'm here, so I don't have to worry about my heart. I mean the crystal heart, and then any crystal on my nails get crooked or it looks good and straight. So I'm go ahead and cure for 60 seconds, 30 seconds fast cure, but if you do one nail, 60 seconds.